What do you do when you have so many charms? Hi, I'm Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how I made a belt charm for my Consuela bag. I used a chunky necklace chain and then cut it to size of the length that I wanted on the front of the bag. And I have a whole bunch of charms. John Bead Corporation sent me all these for a previous project. Plus, I have my own charms that I made and collected from old jewelry. I used 8mm jump rings, head pins, eye pins, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers with the cutting tool, and this 3-in-1 tool, and we're ready to go. Start with your chain, set it out, and arrange all of your charms the way that you like them. And then start taking them one at a time. I start with the larger pieces first, add on the jump ring, and then add it to the chain. Use your tool so that you get those jump ring edges nice and flush with each other so they don't come off. So every time I add a piece, I set it down on the table so that I can look at it and make sure that I like how everything is spaced. I also count the spaces in between the charms so that it looks balanced. Yay, I'm finished. Now it's time to attach all of this to the purse. I used a larger jump ring that's very sturdy to both sides, and look how it turned out. It does jingle jangle when I walk, but I don't mind that. I love it because I feel like it's customized to my personality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit Crafty Chica for more crafty ideas.